Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. Today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to log into your XPO employee account. Guys, for this, you need to open up any web browser. As I have already opened Google Chrome, now bring up the search bar and type in XPO employee login and hit enter. Make sure, guys, it takes you to the official website of XPO Transport Extranet Access, xpo.com. Click over here, and you will be taken to the new interface. Now, over here, you can see the sign-in form, guys. You just need to enter your email or login. Similarly, enter your password over here. Click on Sign In for further use, and once you click on the Sign In button, you'll be able to access your account. In case if you forgot your password, just click on Forgot Password, then you'll be easily recover your password. In case if you don't have any XPO account, just click on Create Account. You can create an account by clicking on Create Account. Either you can log in from your Microsoft account or Google or your Facebook account. That's much for today, guys. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like, and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.